A factory reset restores your T-Mobile hotspot to its original factory settings. This process is crucial for fixing persistent issues like slow speeds, connection problems, or forgotten passwords. There are two primary methods: admin login through the web interface and the physical pinhole reset. Keep in mind that T-Mobile's latest security updates, including mandatory two-factor authentication on some models, might require you to re-link the device to your T-Mobile account via the app after the reset. Always back up important settings before resetting, as this process is not reversible. For a pinhole reset, locate the small hole on your hotspot, usually on the back or bottom. With the device powered on, insert a paperclip or similar tool and hold the button inside for 10 to 15 seconds, depending on the model. The device will restart and initiate the reset. Alternatively, use admin login, connect to your hotspot's Wi-Fi on a computer or phone, then open a web browser and go to the hotspot's IP address, usually 192.168.1 or 192.168.2.1. Enter the default credentials, often admin for both username and password. Navigate to the Settings or Advanced section and select Factory Reset. Note that newer models might prompt for T-Mobile account verification through the mobile app for added security. Choose the method best suited to your situation, considering that the pinhole reset is more reliable for locked-out devices.